Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is you need to check your headphones, basically test your headphones with another device to make sure that they're working. And try and inspect the USB-C port if you use the charging ones, or try repairing the Bluetooth headphones. So unpair and then repair back again to your device. If that didn't work, then try and restart the tablet. So click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now you need to scroll up to restart, and after you basically let go of your finger, then you'll need to wait until it turns back on. So I'll see you guys once my tablet is back. So now after the restart, what we can do is enter our password if you have one, and now try another pair of headphones. So try connecting to Bluetooth with a different pair of headphones to rule out any issues with your original ones. And if you use them as a USB-C headphones, then check the headphone jack or try a different, let's say, adapter if you have one, like the USB-C to jack. So if not, then check for the software updates, because it might fix a lot of issues, including the headphones not being detected. So go to settings. Now scroll down until you guys see System and Update, and here click on Software Update. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the Oxygen OS, and if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating your system. It's very important to have the latest version, because it's basically what makes the updates good, that you get rid of many issues, because a new update comes with new fixes. So now if none of that worked, then you can try and clean the USB-C port for any dust or debris that might be inside. And then if none of it worked, then it might be the issue of either your headphones, your Bluetooth antenna, and the USB-C port. So it might be one of these three. So what I would do is I would recommend visiting a service center for your checkup, and that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.